Let us try to understand what is the printf and scanf in C language. So these are the methods which are used for input and output in C program. Both the function printf and scanf are the library function which are defined under header file studio.h that we include on the very top, #include studio.h. First of all, what is printf? We have already used in our previous examples. It is simply used for printing something to the output. It is used to print the given statement to output console window. The syntax of printf function is as follow: printf then formatted string with the required arguments. For example, we have defined 3 variables and assigning the value. We are giving printf sum of %d and %d is %d. So when you will run this program, you will get the output sum of 10 and 20 is 30. This %d will be replaced by the value of x. This %d value will be replaced by the value of y. This %d will be replaced by the value of z. Then comes the scanf. The scanf function is used to take input. It simply reads the input given by the user from the console. For the syntax of scanf will be as follow. Suppose that you have the program where you want to enter a number, unlike in where we have given the input value through assigning some value, like declaring the variable and assigning the value. Here we will declare the variable and try to take input from user. We will simply give the message enter a number. Then scanf will simply read the input from user, and once we will give the input, it will simply print you have given the number %d. Let us suppose you will have the output enter a number, then you will enter some number. Suppose that I have given 30, then it will print you have given the number 30. Let us see this example. So in this example, we are simply try to print the message enter two number, and after that we are prompt to give the input from our keyboard. So once you are giving some input with the help of scanf, then it is simply giving the value to this particular address that we have defined as a variable. So we have defined the variable xyz. So on the address of x we are printing the value, and on the address of y we are giving the value, and then we are simply adding this value to the z, just like in our previous example. We don't use we have given the hard code value. So it was not asking for any input, it will simply print the value, the sum of 50 and 40 is 90. But with the help of scanf, we are giving the value at runtime, and that value is getting used to give the addition. So this is how we can give the input with the help of scanf and print the output to the screen with the help of printf. Just like we have given the %d for integer value, we can have %f for floating value and all. In the later on examples, we will see how we can give the values to other kind of data type. So this is all for now. Thank you so much.